Well, if you thought you'd seen the best and latest in fashion on day one of the Lakme India Fashion Week, the second day brought in much more. While the chic element was still maintained, it was more wacky designs and patterns that dominated the ramp. The day also saw more concentration on male fashion, with many of the menswear collections out on display.
New trends, more geometric designs and bizarre patterns was what dominated day 2 of Lakme India Fashion Week. Abhishek Datta's label presented its Autumn Winter 2007 line, which was a collection of contradictions on all fronts, whether it was fabric, styling, color or patterns. The garments were full of patchwork, embroidery and detailing, pushing styling limits to the maximum for men's and women's wear. Datta ended the show with actress Riya Sen in a leather-edged patchwork bridal sari.
We have taken influences from Afro motif, Indonesian prints, Indian embroideries. So it's a compilation of more or less everything.
The effort that he's put into it is absolutely beautiful, and I think the colors are great. It's very early, it's very young. They're not, you could look old in these colors, but they make you look so young.
Then came the collection of designer duo Rahul Mishra and Firdaus Samar that presented fashionable black and white garments for men and women inspired by the game of chess. With specially woven fabrics for the season, they presented a sharply tailored line of coats, dresses, skirts and trousers with a minimum of style, detailing, but with large doses of chic elegance. For Narendra Kumar, who believes that a designer is like an architect of clothes, it was little wonder that his men's line was inspired by the work of avant-garde architect from Iraq, Zaha Hadid, whose work he has been following and admiring for years.
The look was very slim, as modern as possible, and we were trying to move away from this very big, huge thing of over embroidery over everything.
Presenting a line of jackets, shirts, pants, sweaters and sports jackets in a crisply designed collection, Narendra came up with a set where detailing was visible in every garment. For the fashion industry that is expanding in India, Lakme India Fashion Week is bringing forth the best and most unique in design, fabric and style. Bureau Report, DD News, Mumbai.